Welcome to Bike Update. Today, we're taking a quick look at the 2025 Harley-Davidson X350, a compact, lightweight motorcycle that brings Harley style to city streets. Designed for new riders and urban commuters, the X350 represents a bold step into the entry-level segment. A new kind of Harley. Unlike traditional Harleys, the X350 is small, agile, and powered by a 353 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. It delivers 36 horsepower and comes with a 6-speed transmission, making it perfect for navigating traffic and enjoying short highway bursts. This model was developed in collaboration with QJ Motor and is built with global markets in mind. Sporty looks with Harley DNA. The X350 features a muscular fuel tank, minimalist bodywork, and LED lighting. Its upright riding posture and sharp styling give it a street fighter feel while retaining subtle Harley cues. The digital instrument cluster adds a modern touch without overcomplicating things. Built for everyday riding. With a steel trellis frame, upside-down front forks, and dual-disc brakes with ABS, the X350 offers confident handling and a comfortable ride. It's light, responsive, and easy to control, making it ideal for beginners and anyone seeking a practical daily rider. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson X350 is a smart, stylish entry into the lightweight category. It's not your traditional Harley, but that's exactly the point. For new riders or those looking for a fun, city-friendly bike with a legendary name, the X350 is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching Bike Update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.